Try chocolate bunnies, not real ones. In the 1800s, German immigrants made the first edible bunnies.
Pastry and sugar. No chocolate yet.
Chocolate came later, when factories learned to mold it. Molding chocolate was faster and cheaper than pastry. Real rabbits? They don't like chocolate. It's dangerous for them. So the chocolate bunny became a symbol. Sweet, safe, and fun. Eat the chocolate one, hug the real one. That's the rule. So now you know. Happy Easter! Share this with a bunny lover.